Hello everyone. Today I will explain one strategy on Forex, which is a very beautiful and a very easy strategy. But this will be costing some money because we all understand that precious things and very useful things which are worth, they will never be for free. And people are charging money for that because they know that they have built up such a thing that it's going to give a lot of money to people. So why would they sell it for free, correct? If we buy gold or silver or any sort of jewelry in today's market, we go to a gold shop, so we will not get these things for free. We pay some sort of money because we know it's precious, correct? So just like that, today we will understand a strategy which is a very simple and a very beautiful strategy. We don't need to do much analysis. Everything is done by the indicator as well. These are two indicators which we will buy, and the third indicator is going to be for free because I got it from somewhere for free. So I'm going to give it to you guys for free. So I will drop the link for that, and you all can download and enjoy the strategy, and constantly you guys can make money. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we will be opening MQL5, and we can see where is the indicator. We will just open an MQL5 and go in the markets over here, go in the indicators, and what we will type is, we will type gold stuff. So once we find gold stuff, we will be clicking on this $50 indicator, and this is a very famous indicator. The developer for this is Russian, Vasily Sprokov, and the reviews are 128. And this indicator people are using since long, and it's a very not so old indicator, but this has been published a couple of times because due to some reasons before this indicator was removed by the author because he was working very hard on it, and he deployed it again in 2020, 25th of August 2020. Yeah. So now this indicator is being used by uh, a lot of people, and they all are constantly making money. Yeah. The second indicator we will be using in our strategy is uh, this cap channel indicator. I already have a video on cap channel as well. People who didn't understand about cap channel will be downloading this indicator. This indicator has become for free now. Okay, perfect. That's a very good news because this indicator was before for $50, $60 as well. And many people purchased it, but due to some reasons, now he has kept it for free, which is very good. And this is a very, very lovely indicator, guys. Very lovely indicator. So let's make it short and sweet, and let's move towards the strategy now. What we will do is we will be working. See, this works on all the instruments, every instrument, but let's make our trading very neat and clean. We will not get stuck by opening all the charts and all the metals and currency pairs. So what we will do is we will open only few of them, and we're gonna work very hard. So few of them means only two, which is gonna be gold and euro USD. Yeah. So what we will do is we will be opening couple of charts, and I will show you how the strategy works. Two, three, four, five, and I will make them like that. This I will keep, the first chart I will keep on M5, the second one I will keep it on M15, the third one I will keep it on M30, this one I will keep on H1, and this one I will keep on H4. Okay, so now how the strategy works, we will be focusing more on H1 and M30, and our trigger point is going to be M5. So how the strategy works, for example, let's open this chart and we get a sell over here in this area. We got a sell here in this area, okay? And what we can do is we have to wait for M30, or we have to wait for a smaller time frame to go in buy, and then when there is a pullback for sell, we will be opening a trade. Yeah. So now if we got a sell over here and the market went up, and which was a pullback on 380 points. And then we got a sell on M15, which was somewhere uh, this area. So what we do is we take a sell, and then the market goes really in the favor. And guys, this strategy is so awesome, so beautiful, that if you only work on this strategy, you guys can make a lot of money. Yeah, a lot of money. Now let's say the H1 is going down, down, down. You're in the market. You guys are making a lot of money. You guys are making good money. And when to exit? So you exit as soon as on M30 there is a reversal signal of buy. Whenever you get a buy on M30, we have to exit at the same time. That means if it's a buy on M30 on H1, the trend is going to get changed. Correct? So that's the way how we exit. And sometimes what happens is you get a signal on M30. Like let's say, let's talk about a fresh signal, which was here. We got a very fresh signal in this area. Okay, the market didn't pull back, the market went up, correct? So what I do is because this is a very small time frame, it's not H1 or H4 or D1, it's not a swing time frame, it's a scalping time frame. On M30, as soon as I get a signal over here, I don't wait for any pullbacks, I open my trades right away because my stop loss is approximate my stop loss is somewhere close to 1000 points. So it's no way market retraces so much. The market will always retrace for 3 to 400 points or even 500 points. But because I don't want to risk myself, I don't want to get stopped out and then the market goes in my favor, I will always put a stop loss of 1000 points and I only exit when there is a reversal signal. I take two trades. Let's say one standard lot. For one standard lot, I will take a profit of 300 points, okay, which is $300. And the other trade, as soon as my TP is hit, I take profit of $300. My stop loss, I will bring it on the break even. And then if I'm out on the break even, well and good. If I'm not, the trade goes really high till there is a reversal signal. So it's a very simple strategy. You just have to wait on M30 and H1 on the bigger time frames, and you have to wait for a pullback. If you find there is a no pullback, go for the trade right away because whenever if you see here, whenever there's a very rare chance, very rare chances that let's say like over here, but then the market you got a buy signal here, and the market went and sell, you got stopped out, but then most of the time you make a lot of money, a lot of money. Yeah. So basically, in these areas, if the market is not doing a breakout and if you get a gold stuff signal of buy and sell, do not open a trade till there is a breakout. Yeah. Like for example, now here, this is a very terrible ranging area, but till the market has not broken this part or till the market has not broken this part, I wouldn't take a sell or I wouldn't take a buy. So yes, it's a very it's a very simple logic, and I also believe that blindly if you use any indicator or blindly if you use any strategy, you guys will get stuck. I believe that people who have a very good knowledge in forex or who do not have a knowledge in forex do a normal learning, trade by yourself, trade on the naked charts, understand that how the market works, and then use these two indicators accordingly. The third indicator is just a confirmation, just a signal, so you guys can see like whenever the trend has changed or where was the fresh signal? I think so. It was on M30. Yeah, yeah. Okay. See, whenever there is a fresh signal of gold stuff indicator, the color for this changes automatically as well, right? So these are just for confirmations, and cap channel will always give you a strong idea that how the market is moving and it's moving in which caps, right? So you will understand that okay. So if the market is this is getting green, if the market is falling hard, that means the market is trying to break the cap and the market is trying to make the next cap now. Cap channel indicator just works like Bollinger Band. It's very amazing. People who don't understand how cap channel works or who don't like the graphical view, they can even use Bollinger Band. They are most welcome. But mainly, I use cap channel because it's graphically loaded and I feel more smooth comparing to Bollinger. So yes, guys, that's it from today, and I hope you guys loved the video. It's a very simple strategy, and trust me, I have some of my followers, some of my friends, some of my forex trading mates who are working only on this. They open one, two, three, four, five. They open five time frames, and they will always see the higher time frame. Most of the time, they will just skip H4. H4, they will just keep to see that what the trend is going at the moment, and they will focus mostly on H1, M30, and whenever there's a signal, as I said on M30 or M30 there's a fresh signal, they will wait for a pullback. They do not see any pullback. They will just open the trade right away. Yeah, because see the market moved from here. There was no pullback. So even here there was no pullback. It gave a signal. So basically, as I said, because M30 is a smaller time frame, it's not like H1, H4, and D1. As soon as I get a signal on M30, I open my trades right away. I don't wait for pullbacks, and my take profit points are 300 points, and the second position I keep it open till I get a reversal signal. So very simple, and even you can get a confirmation down. You can come to know on this small mini dashboard that M15 is in buy, H1 is in sell, H4 is in sell, and D1 is in sell. So you will have a very strong knowledge with this dashboard as well. But then opening the five charts, five different time frames, you will get a much bigger hand. So thank you so much, guys. I hope the video was very clear and very smooth to understand. I made it very simple. And if you all have any questions, please drop me on my email or just hit me up anywhere in the comment box, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and have a good day, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.